We will continue question number 3. Doctor requests several tests to detect the presence of the mutant allele of albinism and the mutant allele of daltonism for Majida and Tariq. The results are represented in document 2. We have Majida and Tariq. We have the gene of albinism. These are the alleles of albinism. We have normal allele and mutant allele, and we have also here these two boxes referring to the daltonism, the gene of daltonism. We have also normal allele and mutant allele concerning the gene of daltonism. Let A be the symbol of the normal allele which is dominant with respect to the mutant allele albinism. يعني عندنا نحن ال A هو normal و small a هو disease related to the albinism, okay, related to the albinism anomaly, okay. And also we have capital D, which is the normal allele, the normal dominant allele, and the small d, which is the mutant allele related to the daltonism, okay, related to the other disease. Referring to the document 3, the genotype of Majida and that of Tariq for the two studied genes. يعني نحن each gene alone طبعا. نحن هلا بدنا concerning albinism، يعني بنطلع بس باللي فوق، بس concerning albinism. What is the phenotype or the genotype of Majida? The Majida, as we are seeing here, she has one allele and this is the second allele. It has two different alleles. So these two different alleles are concerning albinism. عم بحكي هن النورمال allele وهن شو diseased allele. So ماجدة عندها concerning، فينا نقول هون number 4 فينا نقول concerning albinism okay. Concerning albinism ماجدة اوكي ماجدة شو عندها alleles؟ بما انه هي على الاوتوزوم الالبينيزم، يعني it has two homologous chromosomes، يعني it has two alleles اللي هن normal allele والdominant allele، اوكي. من هي النورمال allele تاعت الالبينيزم؟ هي A big A. من هي الديزيز allele؟ هي small a. So ماجدة has capital A small a. طارق also حسب ما نحن شايفين هون ان طارق طارق has this allele and this is another allele. So he has two different alleles. One of them is the normal and the other is the recessive, which is the diseased allele, okay. Concerning daltonism okay. ماجدة هي عندها ما بدنا ننسى انه الدالتونيزم هو gene located on the XX chromosome. يعني ماجدة عندها XX chromosome، يعني عندها two alleles concerning this gene. اللي هن مين التو alleles؟ عندها هيدي allele وهيدي allele، هن two different alleles. يعني اكيد اذا two different alleles يعني بده يكون capital D و small d. So ماجدة will have capital D and small d. بما انه هيدا الجين او هيدول الاليلز are located on the XX chromosomes، نحن مفترض نرسم الاكس والاكس بما انه هو موجود على XX chromosomes، ونرسم هون normal allele which is the capital D, and here the diseased allele which is the small d. هلا اللي كتب لي اياه هون capital D and small d in this form حسبتها كمان صح، اوكي. بس هو الفورم الصح هو هيك. اذا كان الجين located on the XX chromosomes مفترض نرسم الجينوتايب بهيدا الشكل، اوكي. This will be wrong in the official exams، اوكي. بس نحن هلا ما حسبت كثير عليها لان نحن هاي ما حكينا فيها بالصف، اوكي. طيب بالنسبه لطارق طارق السكس كروموزومز شو هن عن طارق؟ هن X Y right. طارق has X and Y. طيب طارق has just one allele okay which is يا بتكون دالتونيزم يا بتكون نورمال. بس طارق قبل قالوا لنا انه هو شو هو نورمال، يعني عنده one allele اللي هي شو نورمال. اي allele is for the normal. This capital D is for the normal allele. So Tariq has just one normal allele located on the X sex chromosome. كمان اللي كتب لي D in this case كمان حسبتها صح، بس هو الصح هو بدنا نرسم السكس كروموزومز تاع each individual لطارق and ماجدة, and we have to write on them the alleles that are located on the X sex chromosomes. Okay. Number 5, indicate the 4 types of gametes produced by Majida concerning albinism. هلا اللي رسم لي 4 types or 2 types كمان حسبتها صح. Number 5 فينا نقول انه ماجدة عندها concerning albinism. شو عندها ماجدة؟ عندها capital A and small a، يعني عندها allele A capital A and small a. The 2 gametes that Majida will give is in each gamete, in each daughter cell or gamete. The gamete, in this gamete we have capital A, and in this gamete we have small a. اللي كتب لي A capital A capital A small a كمان it is correct. Okay. Number 6, could this couple have a child affected by albinism؟ يعني ماجدة and طارق اللي عنده ماجدة اللي عندها capital A small a وطارق اللي عنده capital A small a بالنسبة للألبينيزم could they have an affected child by albinism? Justify using or by making a necessary factorial analysis. يعني we have to write that A cross A this is the genotype of the mother or Majida, and this is the genotype of the father. Okay, so the gametes that each individual will give is capital A small a أكيد 50% here and 50% here. Okay, similarly for the other individual will give a gamete carrying capital A and the other gamete carrying small a. كمان هون 50 okay 50% by 50%. table أكيد التيبل بده يكون مسكر، أغلبكم ما كان مسكر التيبل، لازم يكون مسكر التيبل. we have 2 gametes for the father and 2 gametes, 2 different gametes or 2 different types of gametes for the mother. A small a capital A small a. So the first possibility is capital A 25%, capital A small a 25%, capital A small a كمان 25%, with small a 25%. So this إذا ما نكتب نحن الفينوتايب أكيد بننقلهم، بنعرف كيف نكتب الفينوتايب. بنقول إنه capital A small a how many قديش البرسنتج؟ هي 50%. okay capital A 25%, small a 25%. بالنسبة هودول genotype مش phenotype. okay these are genotype. بالنسبة للphenotype نكتب كمان phenotype. This phenotypically is what? It is normal because the dominant allele is the normal allele here, and this also normal. هول اثنيناتهم normal. 75% من the children will be normal, but this possibility is small a. This child or this type of children having small a يعني albinism allele and another albinism allele, so they will be albino children. Okay, يعني we have 25% of the children will be albino, will be affected by albinism. Question number 4. A cross is done between two races of plants. The first race has blue colors. The first one has blue colors. All of the race has blue color. And the second one has yellow color. In F1 generation, all individuals have violet color. All individuals, يعني 100% of F1 are violet. What conclusion? Number 1, what conclusion can you draw from the above cross? بما أنه عندي parents, one of the parent is blue and the other is yellow, but the first generation, all of them are not blue and not yellow, neither blue nor yellow, but there will be a new phenotype. صار في عندي هون appearance of a new phenotype اللي هو violet color. هيدا الفايولت color ما كان مبين بالبيرنتس، يعني it is new. Okay, so as a conclusion we can say that this cross is incomplete, or this case is incomplete dominance. ليش incomplete dominance? Because the blue cannot appear in the phenotype of the children and the yellow cannot appear in the phenotype children completely. يعني البلو ما قدر يبين completely blue واليellow ما قدر يبين كمان completely yellow. So we have in this case incomplete dominance. Designate by symbols the alleles that corresponds to the above characters. طبعا البلو بما انه في عندي incomplete dominance يعني البلو is capital B, okay, والyellow is capital yellow and capital Y, and the violet is capital B and capital Y. Okay, we cross F1 individuals among themselves. We get in the second generation the following results. عندي 209 blue flowers, 413 violet flowers, and 201 yellow flowers. So we crossed violet colors or flowers cross violet flowers. Okay, نتيجة هيدا الكروس عندي طلع عندي blue flowers, violet flowers and yellow flowers. Calculate the proportions of the phenotypes of obtained phenotypes. أكيد بنقول إنه ال 209 أكيد نعمل division by the smallest number over 201. It is equal approximately to 1. كمان 413 over 21 it is approximately equal to 2, and 201 over 201 it is approximately equal, مش approximately, it is equal to 1. So جمع 1 plus 2 plus 1 equal 4. So the blue color is 1 over 4, the violet color is 1 over 2, and the yellow color is 1 over 4. Make the necessary factorial analysis which explains the obtained results. أكيد بدنا نعمل factorial analysis اللي هي B Y cross B Y. أكيد الجاميتس بنعرف كيف نعمل الجاميتس. These gametes will carry B and Y, and here also capital B and capital Y. وبنجي عند الفactorial table. أكيد بتعرفوا الفactorial table. وبنجي على الفينوتايب والجينوتايب. Can we expect the phenotypes of the descendants resulting from the self-cross of plants having blue color? يعني plants اللي عندهم just blue color، يعني عندهم just blue color يعني عندهم B هيدا الفاذر وهيدا الماذر عندها B. Can you expect the phenotype of the offsprings؟ أكيد فينا نعمل expectation، يعني فينا نعرف إنه كل الأولاد بده يكون عندهم blue color because each parent or each individual will give just the blue allele which is B, big B. So all the offsprings will have blue color with the genotype B B.